Okay, so he got it, right? He got the package. He got his jerky. He got the hot sauce, and you're gonna see his review of it. I'm hoping he likes it. I want to give thanks to Soulful Eats for trying it out for me. Big Belly Bob for trying it out for me, and Rodney and Janelle. Jonelle, thank you. Rodney, thank you. Big Belly Bob, thank you. Soulful Eats, thank you. I was worried that the quality might not be as good as I want it to be. He's my cousin. He's my longtime friend. We went to boot camp together in the Marine Corps, some 30 odd years ago, and I didn't want to disappoint him. So let's see what he thought. Again, thank you. Enjoy the video. Hey, this is ShraShira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.
But hey, ShraShira, look at here, this your boy Chief. Wanna holler at you. I got a box in the mail. This is the best gift a brother could ask for. Family, I appreciate you. I'm about to get into this thing. You ready? I should have just got the machete, but I'm gonna act civilized and use a scissors. And always cut away. You don't want to cut yourself. That's what we telling ourselves. See, that ain't how they taught me to use a knife in the Marine Corps. That's not how that works. But let's go this way. How about this? Homeboy. We got stuff falling out, busting at the seams. Great day in the morning. This joker, we got jerky for weeks. We gonna eat jerky for Thanksgiving. We gonna eat jerky for Christmas. We ain't eating not now turkey. ShraShira, I appreciate you, baby. I love you. Oh, shucks. Gunnery starting DVD. DVR. I don't know what's on there, but I ain't gonna tell y'all. We gonna pause it. Look at here. We got this habanero mango hot sauce. Ooh, that's that fire. They ain't ready. Gee, Mo Nanny, we appreciate you, baby. Let's see what else we got. Crushed pepper. Oh my land. Crushed pepper. Ooh. Crushed pepper. You trying to hurt me. We got that tropical habanero beef jerky. They ain't ready. Tropical habanero. Oh Lord. Tropical habanero. Oh my goodness. Look at here. Crushed pepper. Oh man, we got trouble. That's my boy. I appreciate you, fam. I appreciate you. And look here, let me taste one of these things. Let's do that tropical habanero. I'm so scared. I'm so scared right now. Okay. All right, ready? 1, 2. Shorty. Shorty. Hey, man. You've been hiding out for 30 years. Why you hide out on your boy like that? Bruh, this on point. I can feel it in the back of my throat. You got me. You got me. That chocolate habanero, man. That's that fire. Appreciate you. All right. Love you, boy. Fam, what we got right here, we got that ShraShira, that crushed pepper, that Gunnery starting blend. Look at here. This thing is so good, it'll make you go somewhere and slap your mama. Now, if you like me in the military and your mom in South Carolina and you in Georgia, you're going to go slap somebody else's mama. This right here is that fire. I appreciate you. Watch this. Man. Look at here. Shorty, ShraShira. You did that, baby. I appreciate you. ShraShira. This your boy Chief. Look. Man, this teriyaki is on point. Bruh, this is better than what I get over in the store right here. I appreciate you. It ain't hard. It's chewy. Bruh, the texture is great. You did your thing. I appreciate you, fam. Love you.